Be a proposed resolution for abolishing the office of jury commissioner in accordance with an act that was passed and signed by the governor last week. Just might note that that's all.
Former Commissioner Representative Swanger.
Representative Swanger is here, and she was a prime sponsor of the House bill that was ultimately passed and signed into law. So I have a resolution if that's your wish.
Sure.
And,
what I would like the commissioners to consider is not act in haste. You have the power to eliminate our jobs, and I respect that power. I suggest that this decision not be made in haste. I think there are probably some things that perhaps you three folks are not aware of that we do. I believe that we are useful there, we serve a purpose, and I'm certain that there are places or instances around the state where jury commissioners are extremely overpaid for the little bit of work. We are a part-time thing, we do not put a full-time week in, and neither are we paid for such. I think we earn our money. Places where it's a political plum and people get $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 a year for 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 hours a week work, obviously that's a rip-off of the taxpayers' money. I don't think we have that here in Lebanon County, so I'd respectfully ask your consideration on the matter.
Okay, thank you for your comment.
First asking, Franz, do you use the medical insurance provided? You do not.
He's like me on Medicare.
Okay. All right. When a jury commissioner does use the medical insurance, it does cost the county tens of thousands of dollars, upwards of $80,000 to $100,000 if indeed they have family medical. And you're probably the exception, because I think the other jury commissioners have used the full extent of those services, and there was a court order that said counties must provide medical insurance to the part-time jury commissioners. So therefore, our hands are tied. And there's very austere times with budgets, and when you applied for this position, I did mention my position on the jury commissioner position to you, so this will come as no surprise. So therefore, I do vote to abolish the office of jury commissioner. It is an unfunded mandate from the courts, and this has been a priority for the County Commissioners Association of Pennsylvania, and I want to thank Rose for sponsoring the law.
Well, you're welcome. Glad to do that.
So you're going to make a motion?
I did,
okay,
yes.
Second. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Ayes have it, so ordered. Jury
I think that our current jury commissioners do an outstanding job. It's nothing personal against them. It's just that the time that it takes can be absorbed by the existing staff.
To abolish the position. So, and I don't want, I can't take credit, of course, all by myself on this, because CCAP, County Commissioners Association, they've been working on this too for many years. I know it's been one of their priorities for a great number of years. So, working together, we were able to get it done.
Well, thanks again.
So this is effective then?
At the end of their term.
At the end of their term.
So nobody will run for it again.
the term runs till
2014.
They have 2 more years.